Hello everyone, my today's essay is on Mahatma Gandhi. Let's start. 1. Mahatma Gandhi is well known as a freedom fighter and the father of our nation. He is popularly called Bapu. 2. He was born in Porbandar, Gujarat on October 2, 1869. 3. His father's name was Karamchand Gandhi, and his mother's name was Putlibai Gandhi. 4. He went to London to pursue his higher education. 5. He worked in South Africa as a civil rights activist and fought against racial discrimination. 6. In 1915, he started the Indian National Congress Party. 7. Gandhiji was a firm believer in ahimsa, which means non-violence, and followed the path of Satyavachan, which means being truthful. 8. As a leader of the freedom struggle, he began his first anti-British movement in 1917. 9. Mahatma Gandhi believed in simple living and high thinking. 10. On the 30th of January 1948, he was killed by Nathuram Godse. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.